G'day everyone, it's Matt here from Crusader Caravans, Hervey Bay again. When people think about musketeers, they normally think about the 3 musketeers, but guess what? Today we can beat that. We've got 5 musketeers. Joel, let's have a look at the 5 we've got. So we're going to have a look at each of them. Just a quick look at the price card and the layout. And if you're interested in a particular van, just have a look at the timestamps that we'll leave in the comment. So this is the Treville. Main features of the Treville: rear entry, central club lounge, north-south bed, very spacious. So these musketeers range in price from about 91 to 105. And the Warrior is that lower price point, single axle, shorter, more compact, very popular van. We don't have a layout here, but I'll put it up on the screen because this van's just about to be picked up in the next day or two. So the boys in the workshop, Todd and Albie, good job, got it all ready for pickup, looking very good, okay? So we'll go through that layout separately. L-shaped lounge, single axle, they're the key points. Smaller van, more compact, lighter, very popular. Just over $90,000. The recliner, this is one of the ones where it kind of explains itself. So you have the 2 recliner chairs, rear entry, very popular. You just have to think about your lifestyle. If people like sitting down watching TV, generally the 2 of you, that's a great option, very popular also. Joel, the Empress. All right, this is where we have a central ensuite. Very popular for some, others not so. It just depends on your lifestyle again. Maybe you're a snorer, maybe you're a early riser, maybe one of you is into late night TV or something like that. Lock off the bedroom, 2-way access to the bathroom there, and rear club lounge. So this is the top end of the Musketeer range. We'll keep on going through now, and remember, we're going to go inside each of these vans separately. Centaur, front entry, your traditional cafe dinette style, bathroom to the rear, 97. So it's that mid-price range point. That's the 5. So we're going to go back to the Treville and jump inside and go through them, okay? So as we enter, what jumps out is that beautiful club lounge in the middle there. We've got our light switch, just like last time. There we go, that light above the master. All these vans have the 224 litre compressor fridge. Joel, if you can just give a quick look at that. 2x200 watt solar panels. 150 amp hour lithium battery. And there's something's really good with the Crusader brochure. I'm not sure what you can get with this, Joel. If not, I can just put it over as an overlay. Each of the 8 models shows all of the inclusions and the differences. So the first 2 there being the Warrior and the Camelot are the single axles, and then it takes you through to the Palace, which is a family van at the end. So there are some differences there. This one has the black pack with the black sink, the black tapware, hybrid cooking with 1 electric cooktop and 2 gas. Microwave up high in this model. You'll see the 2 Sirocco fans above the bed. Joel, if you want to go back to the bed, we can see those little nooks with the power. Everyone loves these nooks. Look at all that room there you've got there. And also another key feature, these deep cupboards here with rails. So you can hang your clothes there. Some people can put in extra shelving. Plenty of room there. As we go into the recliner, the first thing you'll notice is the recliners. This is comfort. All right, have a look at this. So I'm going to sit back here just to kind of show you how comfortable it is. Oh, how good's this? So we've got the trifold table here. So you can kind of just maneuver back your chair, sit there. Heaps of storage under here. Joel, can you kind of show some of that storage? So it's a real different layout with these 2 recliners. It's not for everyone, but if you're at home and you like to use recliners, then it makes sense to do the same thing on the road. Good flexibility, heaps of storage. Kind of feels quite spacious, a bit more roomy than perhaps a traditional layout. Anything else to say about the recliners, Joel?
I think I'd be cheeky and sit out under the awning and show off at the caravan park instead of taking me camp chairs. That's just me personally.
Watch the footy on the TV out there.
That's it.
They're going to fit out the door, are they?
I think we'd be able to make it work, yep.
All right, so let's come and have a look. traditional cafe dinette like we touched on before. We'll walk in and have a look. Kind of that mid-price range of the Musketeer range. Look at these colours, Joel. All right. Lovely. I love this colour scheme. I'm not sure exactly what the colour is. I'll put it up. But we've got the cafe dinette with the trifold table there. This is really nice, isn't it? I can see myself just kind of sitting here with TV brackets there so we can bring the TV around, or you can sit here and watch it from the bed. Consistent across the range with the hybrid cooking, the fridge and the microwave. Stunning ensuite. We've got the opaque door here again for privacy. Joel's having a seat on the toilet. Plenty of room there.
Plenty of room.
So he's got the washing machine, the sink, heaps of storage there. So as we enter the Empress, Joel's just coming in. He's just having a look down at the master bedroom and the central ensuite, okay? As I've said before, if in your lifestyle you like some separation, maybe someone wakes up earlier, maybe someone's, got a bit of a different lifestyle. You've got this central bathroom, big privacy. You'll be able to close off that bedroom and sleep at night if you want to. Luxurious club lounge, rare club lounge. This table goes up and down. When you get here, Joel, this table goes up and down. You can drop it down and get an insert, use it as another bed. Very spacious, very classy, and just gives that privacy. So the Empress is a big winner, very luxurious. Well, here we are. This is the 5th one we've got today, the 5th Musketeer. It's the smallest one, it's the most compact one, probably the most popular. Tower about 2150, ATM 2800, so you still got plenty of payload. Single axle, bit more compact, easier to maneuver. Let's go have a look inside. L-shaped lounge here with the adjustable table as well. You've got the 2 Sirocco fans above the bed, the reading lights with USB. We've got heaps of storage. We've got a remote light switch here, just as we have in all of the other ones. You can see that light going off and on there, Joel, like a disco, like it's 1994 for you, mate. Phew. Storage nooks there with your 240 volt. There you go, the opener up there for those hanging rails for your shirts, if you're that well organized. Heaps of storage here, more reading lights, USB. Joel, you're right close to it, the TV, 24-inch smart TV with built-in DVD player. You can turn that around and watch it here from the corner lounge, which is a great spot to watch it from, or watch it from your bed. Same as across the Musketeer range, the hybrid cooktop, which includes 1 electric hot plate, 2 gas, microwave up here high, beautiful black sink, beautifully finished. I wouldn't normally go for these colors, but they work really well. I'll put up the exact color, but to me it's green, but I'm sure that's not what the brochure says. What else we got, Joel?
We've got black hardware, black tap, black sinks.
Yep, very, very cool look, modern look, black fridge, plenty of storage there with those soft closed drawers. There we go, well done, Joel. Beautiful bathroom. Top loading washing machine, swivel toilet as Joel comes through without trying to get himself in the mirror, give away his identity. We just love how modern these ones look. It's like a modern apartment, it really is. Opaque door there with the bathroom. I won't go in this time, we've been copping a bit of a flack about the last video. Heaps of storage in behind the mirror. Oh, the touch light there. There we go. There's 5 Musketeers that we've got in our yard at Hervey Bay Crusader. As I said, the Warrior, it's being picked up on the next day or two, but the other 4, which is the Treville, the Centaur, the Empress, and the Recliner, available for sale from the yard with these prices. Drive away, no more to pay. These prices are it. Outstanding value for these fans. The big thing about the Musketeer range is the value. And there's something for everyone. There's 8 vans. We've looked at 5 today out in the yard. I'm going to do something on the computer screen next to show you the next 3 so you can have a look at all 8. The whole theory is that there's something for everyone, whether you're family, you're looking for something compact like a single axle, a certain seating configuration, or your bed layout, your bed position, your bathroom. There really is something for everyone. That's why there's 8 different layout options. So thanks for watching. Please drop in and see us. Hervey Bay Crusader Caravans. We're the new dealer for Hervey Bay. We're at 91 to 93 Islander Road, Pyalba. As the Crusader dealer for the Hervey Bay region, we've got a massive area to cover, from Gympie to Emerald to Yeppoon. Where else, Joel?
All the way out west, Western Queensland from where we are here.
Western Queensland. So the next dealer beyond us south is the Gold Coast and north is Townsville. Yes?
Yep.
So it's a big area to cover. So if you're anywhere in that area, give us a call, drop in, have a look. We've always got a great range of vans on display. We've got a big day coming up in a few weeks that I can't say too much about yet, but keep your eyes open for that. And we look forward to seeing you. Have a great day and thanks for watching.